Uh-oh. Pick it up. Roll it up in a ball. Now put it down. Nope. Roll it up. Roll it up in a ball, quick. Okay, now put it on the ground. Oh, yicky. Ah! Ew. Ah!
Keep on falling. Ew, I should wash my hands.
Here we go.
Can you help me wash my hands?
This is cornstarch and water. Feels like a really ripe orange right now, and then we put it down.
And then it looks like a pancake.
Awesome! Yay!